Toyota aims to start producing EV batteries. Toyota is aiming to start producing electric vehicle EV batteries next year at its upcoming factory in North Carolina. Set to eventually build battery packs for the company's hybrids, plug-in hybrids and EVs. After increasing its investment into the plant to $13.9 billion total last year. Toyota has continued to make progress on construction at the site since it broke ground in the latter part of 2022. Toyota chairman predicts EVs will only reach 30% market share. In an exclusive tour of the facility with Automotive News last week, Sean Suggs, Toyota battery manufacturing president at the North Carolina complex, noted that the factory is scheduled to begin production of EV batteries it can sell in the first quarter of next year. The initial batteries will be for a 3-row EV slated to be produced at Toyota's plant in Georgetown, Kentucky. Things are progressing really nicely, Suggs said. We're in the heat of trial activity as we speak, doing trial activity in our first building. We've got about 300 team members that are on site each day. The rest of them, around 500, are in our headquarters location in Greensboro. Suggs also says roughly 1,000 people are awaiting start dates, ahead of the Japanese automaker's plans to employ 5,100 people total upon planned completion in 2028. The North Carolina plant is also expected to produce 30 gigawatt-hours of EV batteries per year, across 7 buildings featuring 2 production lines each. The factory will include 10 production lines total for future battery electric vehicles (BEVs) and plug-in hybrid battery packs, and 4 lines dedicated to building battery packs for hybrid vehicles. The battery cans and other components will be built at an on-site supplier building dubbed Fuji Springs. While the site will also feature a full-time fire department, 3 drive-through bays, and several other support structures. The update comes as Toyota has been criticized by many in EV circles for not committing to full electrification quickly enough. As just one example of the sentiment, Ted Ogawa, Toyota Motor North America CEO, said in March that a full push to EVs could be a wasted investment. The company has also defended itself against being anti-EV, with one executive in the company's Australian arm earlier this year clarifying why the company still wants to invest in hybrids. Toyota's not anti-EV. We're actually not. And we want to play in that market. We want to be part of it. We're excited by it, said Sean Hanley, Toyota Australia VP of Sales and Marketing, in a statement in February. We just don't see it as the golden bullet or the single golden bullet towards carbon neutrality. The multi-pathway is still our strategy, but we're excited to be coming into the B versus market. We know it plays a role. Source: reposted and summarized from Zachary Visconti at teslarati.